Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we're diving into a sector that's experiencing massive growth, but also has some incredibly specific demands: healthcare application development.
Absolutely, Jamie. The healthcare IT market is projected to grow at a whopping 15.8% CAGR through 2030. That's huge. But chasing that growth isn't easy, especially when organizations are trying to vet development partners.
You hit the nail on the head. The article points out that many general software firms simply can't tell HL7 from HTML, and in healthcare, that's a critical distinction. We're talking about patient data security, regulatory compliance like HIPAA, and complex clinical workflow integration. This isn't just about building a pretty app.
Exactly. You need specialized expertise. The article breaks down the companies that truly deliver secure, compliant, and clinically useful medical applications. They highlight key criteria like proven healthcare experience, we're talking 10 plus years, and crucial certifications like ISO 13485 and HIPAA compliance.
And it's not just about certifications. They also look at verified client reviews on platforms like Clutch and DesignRush, plus technical depth across modern tech like cloud, AI, and mobile. It's a comprehensive vetting process.
So who's leading the pack in this specialized field? Glorium Technologies, based out of New Jersey, really stands out. They offer full-cycle healthcare development, are HIPAA compliant, and hold that ISO 13485 certification. They've delivered over 150 products in 14 years.
Their portfolio is extensive too, covering everything from EMR/EHR systems with HL7 or FHIR interoperability to telemedicine, remote patient monitoring, and even AI-powered medical imaging. They really seem to have a handle on the full spectrum of modern healthcare needs.
What really impressed me was their 99% client satisfaction rate. That reflects development built around real clinical needs, not just technical requirements. That clinical domain knowledge is so vital.
Another fascinating one is Anderson. They bring 19 plus years of experience and have a unique edge, a medical board of over 30 clinicians and researchers guiding their development decisions. That kind of clinical oversight helps prevent technically sound systems that just don't fit real-world care delivery.
That's a smart move. And for those really prioritizing security, TechMagic with their CREST certification shows a serious commitment to security testing standards. They focus on custom EHR platforms with a security-first architecture.
And if you're looking for AI-powered solutions, Chetu, with their 1,500 plus developers, specializes in integrating with major EHRs like Epic and Cerner and offers AI capabilities for medical imaging analysis and predictive analytics.
You know, Jamie, Arkenia also caught my eye because they are 100% healthcare focused. They don't split their attention across industries. That singular focus means every team member understands clinical workflows and compliance, which can lead to faster onboarding and fewer miscommunications.
That makes total sense. And for the cutting edge, Softtech stands out with their deep IoT and connected device expertise. They build medical device software, wearable integrations, and IOMOT systems for real-time patient monitoring. That's a rare blend of embedded systems knowledge and clinical compliance.
And let's not forget user experience. Overcoat takes a product design mindset, recognizing that software adoption often fails if the interfaces don't fit how clinicians actually work. Reducing clinician burnout through thoughtful UX is a huge win.
It really highlights that building healthcare software isn't just about coding. It's about understanding the entire ecosystem, the clinical workflows, the regulatory requirements, and the real-world constraints healthcare organizations face.
Absolutely. For regulated verticals, certifications like ISO 13485 and HIPAA compliance aren't optional extras. They're baseline requirements. It separates serious partners from firms who might be learning healthcare on your dime.
So the takeaway is to define your compliance requirements, integration needs, and clinical workflow challenges upfront. The right partner will ask smart questions about these areas before even talking technology.
Fantastic advice, Jamie. It's clear that in healthcare IT, specialization isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. That wraps up another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.